This is Arabic Easy for All, A1 Arabic courses. Lesson 7, The Family.
أقدم لك أبنائي. هذه ابنتي سلسبيل، هي في 18، وهذا ابني أحمد، هو في 15.
مرحبا بكم في بلدكم الجزائر. ها هو التاكسي، هيا لنركب. تاكسي تاكسي. أقدم لك أبنائي. Again. Excellent. هذه ابنتي سلسبيل. Again. Excellent. هذا ابني أحمد. Again. Excellent.
Did you get this part easily? It is time to learn them by heart. Just keep repeating them loudly that you hear yourself saying them correctly and discover the beauty of your sounds. Don't forget to repeat writing them as well, 10 times, 20 times, 100 times, why not? A PDF writing worksheet to help you exercise writing them is on the website link underneath this video.
In A1 Lesson 7, we learned about the family. In Lesson 8, we will, inshallah, learn about the family tree.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.